So right now, as we're entering this transition time frame between this positive El Niño phase and more of a neutral phase, there's some evidence to suggest that we might see an uptick in tornado activity, particularly through the areas that we've most recently seen, such as Nebraska and Iowa, and then kind of into the heart of Oklahoma. We're definitely moving in a direction that's going to be favorable for improving our understanding of tornadoes and predicting them in the future as well. We have an increased probability that can get communicated to the public, let's say in like the next hour or so. And then once we have a scenario where it's like, yeah, this is really likely going to happen, then we issue that warning. If you're ever facing the threat of a tornado, there are a couple of safety precautions that you could probably benefit from. In your home, you want to go to either a basement. A basement is preferable if you have an underground location. That's going to be the safest place to go. If you don't have a basement, go to an interior room of your home, such as a bathroom or a laundry room or even a closet. Generally, the smaller the space is and the more walls you can put between yourself and the outside of the building, that's going to be your safest location. If you have the ability to grab blankets or mattresses or something and put them over yourself, that's also going to improve your chances for getting out with limited injuries. Now, if you're in a vehicle, it's a little bit more situational, and there's not a really good answer for what you should do in a vehicle at all times because there's just so much variability to the possible circumstances. One thing that we do say is don't take shelter underneath a bridge because bridges actually will act as like a wind tunnel, and as the tornado winds approach, it will accelerate the tornado winds and can actually pull you out from underneath the bridge itself. If you're a safe distance away from the tornado and you feel like you could, for example, drive towards clearer skies, that's one opportunity or option. If you, similarly, if you're far enough away and feel like you can find a safe shelter, that's really the best option.